but the air is thick and my heart it weeps. You walk in with a smile so sweet, and I feel the fire when our eyes meet. Your touch is like velvet, your voice is a song. I'm lost in your rhythm, where I don't belong. The heat is rising, can't deny. In this room, I feel alive tonight. Whisper my name, let the night unfold. The secrets we'll share are worth their weight in gold. Come closer, baby, I need to feel the heat in the air. It's so surreal. In the heat of the night, we'll let it all go. A dance of desire, moving slow. The flames are burning, we're locked in the fire. In the heat of the night, we'll take it higher. The world fades away, it's just you and me. In the heat of the night, where we're meant to be. The saxophone's calling, the rhythm's so tight. We move to the music, surrender.